Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 most dangerous space events that could potentially wipe out life on Earth. Buckle up because this is going to be a wild ride through the cosmos. The universe is a big, chaotic, and often violent place, and sometimes those cosmic events can pose a serious threat to our little blue planet. These events, while potentially devastating, are also incredibly rare. Let's get started. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating videos. Let's start with the classic apocalypse scenario, a giant asteroid slamming into Earth. You've seen the movies, but the science here is very real. 66 million years ago, an asteroid about 6 miles wide smashed into the Yucatan Peninsula, triggering a chain of events that wiped out the dinosaurs. Now, impacts of that scale are thankfully rare, but even smaller asteroids, a few hundred feet across, can cause regional devastation. These city-killer asteroids could unleash energy equivalent to thousands of nuclear bombs. Organizations like NASA have dedicated programs to scan the skies, looking for anything that might pose a threat to Earth. But for now, it's a cosmic game of chance we have to keep our eyes on. Our sun, the giver of life, can also be a source of potential destruction. We're talking about solar flares and coronal mass ejections, sudden bursts of energy that erupt from the sun's surface. These flares release enormous amounts of radiation, some of which reaches Earth. Luckily, our planet's magnetic field and atmosphere protect us from the worst of it. But when a particularly strong solar storm hits, it can disrupt our technology. Imagine widespread power outages, satellites going haywire, communication systems down. In our increasingly interconnected world, a major solar storm could cause chaos on a global scale. The largest solar storm ever recorded was the Carrington event in 1859. Chapter 3. Death from a distant galaxy, gamma ray bursts. These are the most powerful explosions in the universe, thought to be caused by the collapse of massive stars or the collision of neutron stars. Imagine focusing all the energy of the sun over its entire lifetime and releasing it in a beam just a few seconds wide. That's the power of a gamma ray burst. Luckily, GRBs are incredibly rare and most occur billions of light years away. But if a GRB were to happen relatively close to Earth, say within a few thousand light years, it could spell disaster. The intense gamma rays could strip away our ozone layer, leaving us exposed to deadly ultraviolet radiation from the sun. It would be like getting a sunburn on a cosmic scale, and it could devastate life on Earth. The good news is, the odds of a nearby GRB are incredibly slim. Chapter 4. Black holes don't get too close. Black holes are the ultimate cosmic vacuum cleaners, regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Now, the black hole at the center of our galaxy is too far away to pose any threat to us. But there might be rogue black holes wandering through interstellar space that could pass dangerously close to our solar system. If that were to happen, the black hole's immense gravity could wreak havoc on the orbits of planets in our solar system. It could fling planets out of the solar system entirely, or send them on a collision course with each other. Talk about an intergalactic eviction notice. Chapter 5. Supernova. When stars go out with a bang. Stars are beautiful, awe-inspiring objects, but they don't last forever. And when massive stars die, they don't go quietly. They explode in a supernova, a cataclysmic event that can outshine entire galaxies. Now, a supernova would have to occur relatively close to Earth within about 30 light years or so to pose a serious threat. The explosion would release a tremendous amount of energy, including deadly gamma rays and cosmic rays. These high-energy particles could bombard Earth, damaging our ozone layer and exposing life to harmful radiation. It could lead to mass extinctions and dramatically alter the course of life on Earth. Outro Cosmic Perspective. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content about our universe. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time. So, the universe can be a dangerous place, right? But it's also important to remember that these events are incredibly rare on a human timescale. The chances of any of these happening in our lifetime, or even in the lifetime of our species, are astronomically small. Understanding these cosmic threats helps us appreciate the preciousness of life on Earth, and the importance of continued scientific exploration and discovery. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content about our universe.